How can the art of active listening transform your communication with your partner? Often we aren't really listening. What we're doing is we are in our head coming up with our defense. It's like we're little lawyers and we are preparing in our heads what we're going to say to counteract what our partner's saying. And that form of communication has to be unlearned. And you have to learn how to zip your mouth, open your ears, open your heart, and say, I wonder what my partner's trying to tell me. And then you listen. And you might think to yourself, well, that doesn't make sense, or I don't understand that. And that means you have a question. The question might be, well, I don't understand that feeling. Can you tell me more about that? Or why did my action impact you that way? Could you help me understand? Active listening means we are trying to understand what is being communicated to us, and we're not defending or trying to hold our own position. And that ability enormously helps our relationships.